A unique and officially licensed Disney Christmas tree with sound, lights and movement, exclusive to the Bradford exchange from Mickey and Minnie to Pooh and Tigger. Disney's beloved characters have given us countless gifts over the years, moments of love, laughter and imagination. Now this spectacular tabletop Disney Christmas copyright core brings together Mickey and Minnie, Donald Duck, Snow White and more to deliver the joys of the holidays in your home. Standing 16 inches high and decorated with over 50 hand-painted Disney character figures, this animated tabletop Christmas decoration celebrates the wonderful world of Disney and is available from the Bradford Exchange. With 4 levels of rotating movement on this breathtaking Disney Christmas decor, the Disney Express seems to climb ever higher up the tree, brilliantly lit by 20 LED lights. At the very top, Mickey's at the reins of a Pluto and reindeer-drawn sleigh that rotates around Cinderella's magic castle. A medley of Christmas carols makes the festivities complete. Strong demand is expected for this magnificent Disney collectible. Order now. A fine collectible, not intended for children. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.